Alright, so welcome to this video. In this video I'll teach you how to open a Facebook business manager. Okay, in Facebook, if you want to run Facebook ads, number one thing you have to do is how to open your business account the right way. Okay, that is how you should do it the right way. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your browser. If you are using Chrome or any other browser that you have, just go to your browser. Okay, go to your browser, and first of all you have to log into your Facebook using the browser, not from the Facebook app that we usually enter our Facebook. No, log into your Facebook using your browser. Come to your browser and search for facebook.com and log in your account there. Okay, if you log in with your account there, like now this one, now you see I have already logged into my account. Okay, what you have to do is, after if you have logged into your account, and then open a new tab. Just open a new tab on your browser, and then go to business.facebook.com. okay, go to business.facebook.com. okay, so the first thing is you have to turn your phone into a desktop mode, because if your smartphone is on normal mode like this, it will not do. So all you have to do is, let me show you how we can. Just come over here on your browser. You see these three dots that I just circled. Click on them, and then click on this desktop mode, desktop side. Let me show you here. Desktop side here. Have you seen it? Just click there, and your browser will automatically open. Because if you didn't change your browser to desktop mode, it will not do, because you can only work on computer. But if you change your browser to desktop mode, then it will load up. So come here and click on this create account. You see here, you see create an account. Okay, so click there. Alright, so please name your, you see it will show you your business and account name. Okay, so just name your business manager here, whatever name, but just make sure that you are naming it particularly to the kind of business that you want to run. If you are doing affiliate marketing, please name your business manager the kind of name that shows that yes, this you are promoting some product. So for this one, I'll just name this business manager as, let me say, digital marketing or digital academy. Let me just say it, digital marketing. Okay, and this your name here already, the name of your Facebook account, it will appear here. And then come down here and enter your email address where Facebook will contact you with. So just enter your email address here. Let's wait and see what will happen now. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Alright, so yes, now they have sent an confirmation email. Just go back to your email and check. You'll find the confirmation code there. Okay, so let me go back to my email. Alright, so you see this is okay. So you see, once you confirm using your email, you'll just receive the information and your business manager will open. Okay, see you in the next video.